What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, and I'm here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors, man. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Appreciate y'all. Make sure y'all tap that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm to help push this video out. And we got a few things to talk about. A quick Shiba Inu update. We're going to talk about some of the discussion that's going on in the main Shiba Inu community. So if y'all are not following this main Shiba Inu community, you should definitely be tapped in here. But first things first, come join our private investment community here on Facebook. It's called Private Stock Market Game. I want y'all to check this out. This is one of my students right here. K-Rock made $3 million following this information that I'm sharing with y'all here for free. So again, that's Private Stock Market Game. Also, come follow me on Twitter at DecemberDeMarco, the same way the YouTube channel is spelled. And now here's something that, we have to get into, talking about what we think the breaking the internet news will be that Satoshi mentioned. So one thing I want to show a post real quick from William Volk, who is former VP. So he made a post saying, I've been in the video game industry for over 40 years. That's a very long time to be in the video game industry, y'all. Former VP of technology at Activision, connect the dots. Technical production of the first CD-ROM game. Come on, y'all. This guy knows what he's doing. Co-designer of the first iPhone game. This guy is, he's the real deal, y'all. So he says, you are right. They are doing NFT games wrong. We shib aren't. So now what we're going to do is connect the dots here and just, this is highly speculative on what I think the groundbreaking internet or the breaking the internet news will be. And I believe it will be creating a Shiba Inu Pokemon style card game. So we might have a whole new set of physical cards along with NFTs, a new set of NFTs. I'm curious if the Shiboshis will be incorporated into that card game, but I believe that we will be seeing basically a physical card game as well as video game and actual trading card type of game that might be styled after Pokemon. So that's my throw at it. Let me know what y'all think it might be in the comment section. Let's take a quick look at the price before we get into the actual community discussion. And another thing, Satoshi said, if y'all take a look at the update on Satoshi's profile picture, Satoshi said this is now the final form, for a little bit. So this image to me looks like a trading card styled artwork. It doesn't appear to be 3D like it's in a video game yet. It could be, turned into a 3D style game, but I think they might go with the trading card format. So again, let's check out the price. So right now it's just after midnight in some areas, so the markets are down now 7% overall. So we see Bitcoin down 0.5% at 38,384. ETH trading at 27.57. We got BNB at 381. And y'all, if y'all been following around, y'all know these prices are cheap overall. If you just got into the crypto space right now, you are lucky because you're able to buy some of these major coins for a cheaper price than a lot of people have been able to buy them for the last few months. So this is an opportunity right now for those of you that just entered the market. So some of the main coins like the top, just really 10. If you don't know what you're doing, if you don't know what to look for, if you want to passively invest, the top 10, top 20 coins, those are, things you should be looking into, seeing the community size behind them, doing a little due diligence the best you can, and, throw a little bit of something on some of them. Pick your favorite one out of those top 20 and, start right there. But let's scroll just straight to shib. Okay, so we are down 0.65% right now, sitting at the 2152 level, still holding that nicely. Let's take a look at the chart. So we're still trading sideways here. If we notice, we can add some support and resistance areas for what we're seeing here. So let's grab our horizontal line. We can do it at, right here where we see, major resistance in the shortest period from where we are now. Support from where we are now. closest level of support and resistance. So we're trading in between this range here overall. You know, it doesn't happen overnight. A lot of y'all are expecting things to just continue to just take off and moon and just, you know, go straight to the moon. You have to understand how crypto actually works. There has to be an inflow of money to continuously push the price up. If new money is not coming in, the price is not just going to continue to go up. It doesn't work like that. And if people sell and start to take profits off the table, or even, you know, just start to sell in general, that will pull the price down. So right now we got volume. It looks like a little bit of volume wants to come in, but overall it's taping off from where it is. The price is trading sideways. So I told y'all yesterday it looked like, you know, it would possibly pull back just a little bit. Nothing too major. On a big picture, it's looking like we're holding support around that 1706 level. Resistance on a you know, near time, on a, you know, in a close, you know, time, but you know, not too far away. That 32 level is our area resistance. So this could be, you know, within the last time we were here was back January 12th, around that time. So that was just about a little over 2 weeks ago. The low point we hit was just about a little over a week ago. So, you know, within this month, we could be trading, you know, in this range until we get some major catalysts that push us, and we, you know, test this area right here. We're going to take this candle out first, because notice how where this major candle is. Let's grab another. I'll do the a support line here right at the bottom of this candle. Notice how almost either right there at the bottom of the real body of these candles here, the bottom of the real body, not where the wick is, but the bottom of the real body is exactly where we seen it break support at. And once it broke that support, once it didn't hold here, that told the market that the price was going to keep going down. So people who understood how to identify this, they knew once the price pushed past this point, it would be a sell-off. So those people hurried up and sold off. And as you can see, it reflected in the volume, which was a major red candle right here, showing that a lot of people sold off. Then we seen it pull back right here. Some people tried to, you know, step in and grab some positions, which was a smart buy. You know, overall, if you just got into the market, you're basically buying SHIB at the price that people were buying it back in October, around October 6th. Or some of the people that got it around the May 17th time, around that time. So, you know, you're basically getting it, you know, around a really good range. You know, you still have a lot of profit. All of this that we see going back up to all-time highs, that's potential profit that you'll be able to make if you just get in here at this position. And for those of you that already started a bag, you can make profit on your new bag. You can start new bags. You don't have to continue to, you know, just add SHIB to that same wallet. You can start a new wallet that you can actually trade from and secure some profits from, for those of you that want a diamond hand, you know, 5+ years or however long you plan on holding. Remember, this is not financial advice. You're always free to do whatever you want to do, but I'm just sharing this information with y'all, you know. But this is, you know, what y'all can do. Y'all can buy low here, buy low, and sell it when the price goes higher to lock in some of your profits. But you would, you know, or to make some of your money back before, you know, we have to see an all-time high to do it. So you would want to, you know, and now this is not financial advice, but to do this, you would have to invest a little bit more down here at this level. So that way, you know, if you get a 20, 30, 40% gain on your money, you can make whatever it is you want. Let's say if you we get 40% from where we are now, let's do the math on that, where we would be. So right here where we are, let's see, if we got a 40% gain, or let's just say 50% just to make it even. So if we got a 50% gain, we would be right at that 32, 35 level. From if we got a 50% gain from where we are trading right now. So let's say if you wanted to make $500 and you are confident that the price will return back to that level where we see previous resistance, which is a good sign, then if you want to make $500, you would just put $1,000 at this point, hold until it hits that point, and you're up 50% basically. Of course it's fees involved and little things you want to take into account, but just in general, essentially speaking, that's all you have to do. If you want to make $5,000, then you will put 10,000. Now don't do this, just don't think I'm saying go put 10,000, but if your number was okay, I wanted to make 5,000 and 10,000 was a number that you were okay with risking losing or the price pulling back another 20-30%, you will still be able to hold it and even buy more, and you want to make 5,000, you could make 5,000 by the price only going back to 32, 35. And I'm trying to teach y'all what day traders are doing. So a lot of y'all are just buying and holding and building a long-term sheet bag, but this is what day traders are doing. So this is how people are making money now off Shiba Inu without caring if it ever hits 1 cent. And I just want to show y'all what's happening so y'all are aware of it, or you have the opportunity to learn more about it and do this yourself. So also, I teach this in my technical analysis course. If you want to learn how to interpret this data and read the charts, read the candlesticks, read chart patterns, things like that, read indicators and how to use them in your trades, reach out to me. If this is generally for people who are ready to take it to the next level, and I try to say people who have $1,000 or more invested into crypto, because those people are generally sometimes ready to take it more serious, and they got a little bit more skin in the game and kind of understand the process of how things can pull back and go up. If somebody's like very, very brand new, that concept is still kind of hard to understand for some people. They put in $100, see it go down 20%. A lot of people think that's the end of the world, but it's only because you may be new if you're one of the people that think that. So now let's go into some of the Shiba Inu community discussion. This is on Reddit. This is the Sheep Army Reddit page. Come tap in with this if y'all not on here, if y'all haven't been following this page. This is how you can stay up to date with some of the things that are going on. Of course, you can stay up to date with the channel to get all this information packed into one video basically daily. But this is if you want to keep your ear to the streets, and if it's something even I miss, you can find it here. So someone said, so did the internet break from a big announcement yet? Don't get me wrong, I appreciate all that Satoshi is doing for the community, but it's bad business to overpromise and underdeliver. I've been guilty of this myself in the past and have learned the hard way over decades of professional experience. I hope Satoshi hears this and takes it to heart and not as an insult. The community will be more impressed with unannounced news that has come to pass than it will by empty buildups. Now, having said all that, I'm going to go buy some more shib. Edit. I know this is Reddit, but there are some people here in this group basically saying some sensitive people about they got upset about what he said. But I believe that internet breaking or big announcement will be the announcement of the Shiba Inu Pokemon style game. So I don't know if the name will actually be Shiba Inu, but I'm just saying that's what I think that announcement will be, because we got William Volk working on some form of game. And, this guy's really experienced, and that would I think it'd just be really unique to have a real life trading card game, like how Pokemon or Magic or Yu-Gi-Oh became big. Shiba Inu could actually become the new face of trading card games. That's just, speculating. But someone else said, what happened? I remember back in the day, we only had 40,000 members with over 5,000 online most of the day. Now we have almost 500,000 members with less than 1,000 online. So what we are seeing are people taking money off the table, people going to safer assets, and the market isn't hyped up. Normally when people see everybody else making money, that's when they come in. The markets, for some reason, it just is the psychology behind it attracts new retail or noob investors to put money in when they see everybody else making money. And when that money's coming down, they take their money off and they, go back to whatever it was that they're doing. But this is all a part of the cycle. This is all a part of the process. This happens every year. I've been watching this happen year over year, and I'm trying to, help y'all cut y'all time and, in half, or basically give y'all what I've been seeing for the last 5-6 years in crypto happen. I'm trying to give this to y'all in just these quick videos, and I try to tell y'all this is more like a crypto class in these videos, because you're gonna actually walk away learning something. And I try to sometimes get y'all to understand, like, You know, every video isn't going to be super hyped up. It's not always some major catalyst news, but it's a chance for you to understand the psychology, look at the sentiment in the market, see how other investors are feeling, so you can understand what paper hands, you know, is, where the paper hands are coming from. What feelings are these other investors that can't hold their positions any longer? You know, what are they going through? You know, and it's good to see this, you know, so that's why I tell y'all to come check this stuff out. So, they'll be back once everything is pumping again. But for smart money, the time is now to get in, solidify your positions, and get ready for the next pump before it happens. So someone else said, what happened to that special celebrity they said will support SHIB in a couple months? And what happened to the deal? They're 98% done with. The deal is now 100% done. They're just doing some finalization, some final things. But the celebrity, I'm not sure who that was supposed to be, but we still have some major things in the works right now. You know, I'm also talking to a few celebrities, you know, about Shiba Inu as well. So one way or another, eventually, you know, some more celebrities will be tapping in with Shiba Inu. So someone else says, I finally reached my new goal of over 500 million SHIB with a $1,200 buy today of the final 54 million. Do you think I'm crazy or just nuts? You know, I believe in Shiba Inu. I believe in what, you know, they're doing in the crypto space. You know, I'm very bullish on this project, so I think that was a good idea, as long as you believe in the project as well and you're willing to hold through the ups and the downs. That's another thing. You know, it's easy to come give y'all these updates when the market is taking off, when everybody's making money. It's a little harder sometimes though when things are slower, because I got everybody blowing me up, asking me why they're not making money, or why, you know, let's say if they bought it when it was a little higher and it dropped down. You know, you just imagine how many people that are new to this, that seen one of my videos and, you know, basically putting it on me, you know, like, why is it down? You said, you know, buy, you said this was going up. And y'all just got to be patient. It doesn't always happen overnight, and sometimes you could have bought the top. That's why I encourage y'all to learn how to use technical analysis so you can identify the key areas in the chart where you should be buying at, not just FOMOing in and buying anywhere. But that's pretty much all we got for this video, man. I appreciate y'all for pulling up. Let me know if y'all got comments in the comment section. And we're gonna also start doing some more giveaways on the channels and things like that. Let me know what ideas y'all got for giveaways. Should I do a Shiba Inu giveaway, or should we do a burn or something like that? We can incorporate a burn into the channel. Let me know what y'all think. But that's all we got for this video. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are out.